In this video, I'm going to show you how to fast forward part of a video in CapCut. So as you can see, I have this video here. Now let's say I want to fast forward a part of it. So we just have to select where we want to start this fast forward. So simply make sure to align the video with the line on the timeline and select the video. Now I'm going to split this and how far you want this to be. So I'm going to split again here. So this part here that I'm selecting, I want this to be faster. So simply select it. Then at the bottom, you see that you have all these options. So look for the speed option and then select normal, and then you can increase the speed from here, and basically that's it. So now if I play the video, as you can see, it starts normal, and then we'll have this part which is faster and then again slow. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.